ready?
Yes.
Every cell in the body has a specific job in each body system that controls its growth, its interaction with the cells, and even controls its lifespan. When they lose control to do these things and grow abnormally, it is called cancer. Cancer takes a person's strength, destroys their organs and bones, and weakens their body to fight against any disease. Benign tumors grow slowly and do not spread through other parts of the body, but malignant tumors grow rapidly, can evade and destroy the healthy tissues, and spread throughout the body, and these are known to be more serious and life-threatening. Researchers have observed that more than 90% of cancers have some type of genetic alteration. In 2018, in the United States, there is estimated 10,500 new cases of childhood cancer that will be diagnosed from children from birth to 14 years of age. Cancer is the leading cause of death in children, and over 1,180 are expected to lose their life because of cancer. These cancers in children are said to come from random mutations or changes of the different cells of the body. Childhood cancer is more responsive to therapy, and the child can tolerate the therapy better than any adult can. The average cost to stay in the hospital is $40,000, and only 4% of federal government cancer research goes to study pediatric cancer. There are several types of childhood cancer, such as leukemia, brain and other central nervous tumors, and lymphomas. Symptoms can include fever, swollen glands, frequent infections, anemia, and bruises. Leukemia starts in early blood-forming cells that are found in the bone marrow, which is a soft inner part of certain bones. It's also the cancer of the white blood cells, but starts in other blood types. These cells reproduce quickly and do not die when they should, and they can spill into the bloodstream and to other organs such as the spleen, liver, and other central nervous systems like the brain and spinal cord. And this keeps the cells from doing what they're supposed to do. There are two types of leukemia. There's acute leukemia, which grows pretty fast, and chronic leukemia grows slow, and almost all of cases for childhood cancer are acute. Neuroblastoma and Wilms tumor are spread to the bone marrow like leukemia, but these two are not types of leukemia. When children enter their teen years, they are more likely to have osteosarcoma, which is bone cancer. There are several treatments that people can undergo to get rid of this horrible disease. Surgery, which removes the cancerous cells or tumors. Chemotherapy, which is use of medical drugs to kill cancer cells. Radiation, which is the use of energy to kill cancer cells, or they can have a bone marrow transplant. Chemotherapy can be done by taking meds intravenously, which is an IV, orally, which is by mouth, or by spinal fluid. Since 1980, there are fewer than 10 drugs that have been developed for children. Only 3 of those drugs are approved for children, and only 4 additional are used for children and adults. More than 95% of childhood cancer survivors will have a health-related issue by the age they were 45 years old. Children are often treated at a cancer center, in a hospital, or a unit in a hospital, like we have in St. Jude in Memphis, Tennessee.